never been to a waterfall that hasn't ended up being like this. Except for when we went on a tour of Phuket and it was so fucking boring. Getting on the gray bus and everybody joined us.
Thanks for continuing to watch Lovin' It on Phuket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you'll know when the next video in this series is posted. Until then, check out the rest of the videos in this series or this other video recommended by YouTube.